How to delete your Haiper AI account. So if you head directly to Haiper.ai and then you log into your account, no matter where you go from this spot right here, or if you go more, you won't be able to find that option to delete or to remove your account. So if you go ahead and visit the FAQs or the Haiper.ai FAQs under deleting an account, to delete your account, you can send us a request over at this link, which is going to be the hyper.ai/contact using the email address you originally signed up with. So your account will be frozen for up to 30 days before it is permanently deleted. So for you to get there, all I have to do is to visit these FAQs right here and head directly to this link, or you can manually type it. If we will be manually doing it, just simply type in hyper.ai/contact, and this is gonna be the dashboard that you'll see for you to remove your account. So again, according to FAQs, just enter the email address that you use from your Hyper AI, and I want to leave a message to let them know that you'd like to remove your account, and then click on submit. So that's it. That's how you removed or delete your account with Hyper AI.